What's going on, YouTube? This is Zalo Kicks bringing in his first ever restoration video of many more. I decided to become a YouTube sneaker restoration guy, I guess you can say, just because this is a big passion of mine. I love restoring kicks. I love customizing kicks. It's a passion that I've had ever since high school. This is my first time ever editing as well, with a big help of my girlfriend. Shout out to the GOAT. She helped me tremendously in a matter of 2 days. So yeah, 2 days I edited this video. It's not gonna be the greatest video, but it's something. I just want to put out my content out there. I want to put out my work out there. Um, there's always gonna be room for improvement. You guys can roast me in the comment section if y'all want to, but that ain't gonna phase me, man. I know I'm gonna get better. So without further ado, this is my first ever restoration video. Check it out. Trust.
Digits on the beat.